skin-soothing poultice with Echium and Angustifolium for irritated skin. Discover a simple traditional herbal poultice made from a wild plant, Echium angustifolium, also known as narrow-leaved viper's bugloss. Compounds of the plant. Rich in alkaloids, mainly pyrrolizidine alkaloids, handle with care internally. Flavonoids, antioxidants that help protect the skin. Mucilage, soothing, helps calm irritation. Essential oils, mild anti-inflammatory properties. Traditional uses, skin soothing, is used externally as a poultice or infusion to calm minor skin irritations, cuts, or insect bites. Anti-inflammatory, it helps reduce redness and swelling when applied topically. Mild healing, it supports tissue repair for minor wounds or scratches. Benefits, helps calm skin irritation, reduce minor redness, soothes insect bites. Ingredient, fresh leaves of Echium, 1 teaspoon olive oil, clean gauze or cloth. Preparation, wash the leaves well, use mortar or spoon to crush the leaves gently. Add a few drops of olive oil, mix into a soft paste. How to use, apply directly on the irritated skin, cover with gauze. Leave for 10 to 15 minutes, rinse with lukewarm water. Frequency, use once per day for 2 to 3 days only. Safety, external use only. Do a patch test first. Do not use on open wounds. Precaution, avoid for pregnant women. Subscribe and follow NaturaBloom for natural wellness tips.